Here we are at Clothesline, the show where we...
This is my seat.
Look who's back.
After having shamed the News Laundry family.
I told her to never go against the family.
The betrayal and the shame. I can no longer be a part of this family.
Don't take it so personal, Satyana. It's business, not personal, okay?
Did they make you an offer you can't refuse?
No, we did. Now let me do my show. Here we are at Clothesline, the show where we wring them clean, string them up and put them to dry on the clothesline. I wasn't on Clothesline last week because I was caught up with Candidates 2014 on Facebook Talks Live with NDTV. A series of town hall discussions with those that might determine the next government. Series of interviews? Don't make me laugh. I've seen more hard-hitting interviews on Coffee with Karan. What? I asked some tough questions. Like this. She's never been an easy ally and is often called temperamental, thoda sa, little bit. No, I take it back. You become the Manoj Kumar of politics. Har baat mein kurban. I was reading this lovely book of yours, which ends with poetry, Your Unforgettable Memories, and I would like you to sign it. But no, I take that back. You obviously didn't understand the format. It wasn't supposed to be a ladai jhagda. The town hall format was decided upon so we can just get together and talk in a calm, peaceful manner. Good vibes, you know. Excuses, excuses, excuses. I totally buy that. Kuch aata nahi, bak 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 karti rehti hai. What did you do on Candidates 2014 anyway? What did you achieve apart from exposing you as NDTV stooges? Haven't you heard of the News Laundry impact? First we had Kejriwal tempting fate. If you can give us your vision for India.
उसके पहले मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है.
बोलिए.
कल मोदी जी को आना था, क्यों नहीं आए वो? मैंने अखबारों में पढ़ा था कुछ कंडीशंस रखी थी मोदी जी ने, वो क्या थी?
And then the next day.
The Aam Aadmi Party chief Arvind Kejriwal. Well, these are shots that we're getting you from Gujarat, where he's been detained in the north of Gujarat.
And then there was Mamta. I couldn't figure out what Mamta was saying. Mamta couldn't figure out what I was saying. I didn't know what Abhinandan was trying to say because he was talking too loudly in the talk back in my ear. But in all this chaos, we had this.
Do you think that if somebody like you and a Jayalalitha and a Mayawati could come together, it would be a more attractive proposition for people rather than a federal front?
And the next day, this happened.
After calling off her alliance with the left, AIADMK chief Jayalalitha calls Mamta Banerjee to wish her luck for the upcoming polls, sparking off speculation of a post-poll alliance.
And Didi also said this.
Our party says we are of the pro-people, by the pro-people, for the pro-people.
And when we returned to our hotel, we saw what she meant because this was on the news when we got back. Howrah Bridge, everyone's got to go through it. That's Calcutta.
I'm joined by Munmun Sen, who is a candidate from the Bengal's countryside of Bankura.
Politics, as I know it, is from Julius Caesar and books like that. And all I can see in my mind when you say Parliament is poor Lady Meera saying quiet, ineffectively. It would be wonderful to listen to their speeches because some of them do speak very, very well. I love the English language.
Now we know what Mamta Didi meant by party for the poor, of the poor, by the poor. It's a poor choice. And finally we had Rashtriya Janata Dal Supremo Lalu Prasad Yadav, who said this.
एक अपने पार्टी का आदमी है, लीडर है, उससे मिलने गई थी
और उसने फोन ऑफ करके चले गया.
अब चला गया तो चला गया, हम तो नहीं भेजा.
And just a few days later, this happened.
Bihar leader Ram Kripal Yadav is joining the BJP right now in Delhi. This after, of course, his seat from Patliputra for the Rashtriya Janata Dal was given to Lalu Yadav's daughter.
What News Laundry impact? Ram Kripal was going to leave anyway. It was pretty obvious. You can say that to us and get away with it. But try grudging Arnab and at times now impact. Great. She's finally gone. And while we were changing the Indian political scenario with Candidates 2014, yeah right, India Today decided to steal some of our limelight with their Conclave 2014. And they even got Arvind Kejriwal and Akhilesh Yadav after us. You may be sabse tez, but we were sabse pehle. But at least Rahul finally got to meet Arvind. That must be nice, no Rahul?
आपने मेरे को कोई कागज ही नहीं भेजे. अब अगर आप ये सोचो मैं आपके सारे प्रोग्राम बैठ के देखता हूँ सर, मैं तो आपके प्रोग्राम देखता नहीं, इंटरेस्टिंग नहीं होते, फ्रैंकली बुरा मत मानिए.
Oops. Arvind must have mistaken that for frankly speaking. And India Today made sure that their Conclave 2014 didn't come across as boring to anybody by resorting to even this. The India Today Conclave also added a poetic touch to proceedings by channeling Shakespeare's spirit through Mr. Haiku himself.
14 crore people in the last 10 years have been lifted out of poverty. Now, these are all facts which are official. Nobody can deny them. This, according to a gentleman, he says we have destroyed India.
When the poor have cried, Caesar hath wept. Ambition should be made of sterner stuff. Yet Brutus says he was ambitious. And Brutus is an honorable man.
Coal production in 2004 was 331 million tons. It is today 544 million tons. Has it impacted the people of this country? Of course, one gentleman says that India has been destroyed by this government. If these figures are all about destruction, I don't know.
You all did see that on the Lupercal I thrice presented him a kingly crown, which he did thrice refuse. Was this ambition? Yet Brutus says he was ambitious, and sure he is an honorable man.
In 2004, the per capita income of this country was 24,000. In 2014, that income is 68,000. Has it impacted the people of this country? I don't know.
But here I am to speak what I do know.
My answer to you is, I cannot answer that question because I don't know.
The
I don't
UPA
know.
has done enough
I don't know.
to deserve
When,
another
I don't
term.
know. Has it impacted the people of India? I don't know. Has it impacted the people of this country? I don't know. Has that impacted people of this country? I don't know. These figures are all about destruction. I don't know.
Kapil, sweetheart, you're certainly no Mark Antony or Julius Caesar, but yes, that was tragedy. And we've been so swamped the last week that we've barely had time to keep up with the news on TV. Luckily though, we were in good company.
Blacking out the facts is no response, Vinod Mehta.
Arnab, I've been stuck in a traffic jam for the last 45 minutes. But I don't understand what's going on. I mean, I'm just very confused.
Is it not apparent to you?
I'm sorry, can you give an executive summary of what happened?
400 workers of the Aam Aadmi Party land up outside the BJP headquarters and all hell breaks loose.
But where?
There is stone pelting.
Where?
Ashoka Road.
Huh?
Ashoka Road in Delhi.
But what's happening in Lucknow?
Then it went viral in Lucknow.
Executive summary? While most people have to tune in to the news to get informed on what's happening, Vinod Mehta appears on the news to find out what's happening. The perks of being a senior journalist. Wow. But clueless Vinod Mehta picked the right place because Times Now knows everything.
In June 2010, you would remember the Times Now had exposed what went on to be notoriously called the Commonwealth Games scam. You will remember that in October 2010 or whereabouts, Times Now's expose on Adarsh forced Ashok Chavan to resign within hours.
And that's not all. Arnab's humility must have made him forget about these. Arnab, gappe mat maar. The Adarsh scam was uncovered because of an RTI filed by an activist, Simpreet Singh, as your sister publication informed us, or is it brother? Arnab, yours is supposed to be a news show.
Mahashay.
Okay, General. Okay.
बड़े महाशय
Please go ahead with the debate.
बड़े महाशय आपको
please carry on with the debate.
बहुत प्रणाम
These antics will eat up all your time.
इतने माननीय हैं आप इतने माननीय हैं कि हम तो छोटे हैं भाई हम तो छोटे आदमी हैं हम तो बहुत छोटे आदमी हैं आप बड़े आदमी हैं हम क्या करें?
You know what? Forget it. This show has even stopped pretending to be news. Unless you start at least pretending to do news again, we might consider not clubbing you in our reviews of other news channels. But instead, with Rakhi Ka Insaf, Big Boss and Nach Baliye. And we know you're not oblivious to this, Arnab, because we've noticed that Times Now have taken to editing their debates before uploading it on their website. Another thing that was making the news was this post-interview chat between Arvind Kejriwal and Punya Prasoon Vajpayee of Aaj Tak.
हाँ ये वो वाला थोड़ा थ्योरेटिकल है, कॉर्पोरेट वाले जो बोल रहे थे ना, अच्छा काफ़ी थ्योरेटिकल, इसलिए उसमें मैं नहीं जा रहा। अच्छा तो वो एक तो उसमें ये जितना मिडिल क्लास है वो एंटी हो जाएगा कि हम प्राइवेटाइजेशन के खिलाफ हैं, कंपनियों के खिलाफ, वो मैं इसलिए मैं उसमें नहीं आ रहा। ओके, उस डिबेट में मैं पढ़ नहीं रहा था जानबूझ के, बाकी कुछ।
और ये जो हाशिए पर जो 80% समाज है,
इसमें बोलेंगे,
इसमें अब आ जाइए ना, उसको वोट बैंक तो वही है असल में देश भर में।
बिल्कुल।
और
ये भूल गया मैं,
उसमें वो सब अगर हम उनके लिए कर रहे हैं,
मैं ये नहीं कहना चाहता कि ये सारे प्राइवेट वाले कर रहे हैं और कोई भी सरकार आ जाए प्राइवेट से कमीशन लेते हैं, ना हम पूरे प्राइवेट सेक्टर को नकार देंगे। ओके, वो मिडिल क्लास
बहुत क्रांतिकारी, बहुत ही क्रांतिकारी हो गया।
उसी को ज़्यादा चला दीजिएगा।
नहीं वो चलेगा। अरे वही हम तो मैंने भगत सिंह वाला हिस्सा जो है तरीका साला बड़ा रिएक्शन आएगा, बहुत रिएक्शन आएगा भगत सिंह वाले पर।
Innocent Kejriwal, what this clip shows is how media savvy he really is, playing the innocent. मैं तो आम आदमी हूँ, मैं तो छोटा आदमी हूँ। कितना आम हो सकते हो आप, तो चतुर आदमी हो। और प्रसून, इतना हाँ में हाँ मिलाना क्या ज़रूरत थी, जब इंटरव्यू तो लाइव थी और एडिट कर ही नहीं सकते थे। और वो क्या टच था, भगत सिंह की तस्वीर वहाँ रखी हुई थी, क्यों?
मैं संविधान की कसम खाई है, संविधान के लिए जान दे दूंगा।
देश को भ्रष्टाचार से बचाने के लिए मुख्यमंत्री की कुर्सी 1000 बार कुर्बान है, और मुख्यमंत्री की कुर्सी क्या, अगर अपनी जान देनी हो तो जान भी देने के लिए तैयार है।
एक ही इच्छा है जिंदगी में कि इस देश के लिए काम करते करते जिंदगी कुर्बान हो जाए। अपने आप को बड़ा सौभाग्यशाली समझूंगा।
वो तस्वीर लगा के क्या कर रहे हो, इमोशनल अत्याचार।
तौबा तेरा जलवा, तौबा तेरा प्यार, तेरा इमोशनल अत्याचार।
अरविंद, कौन सी पिक्चरें देख रहे हो आजकल, तंग आ गए सुन सुन के। अगर आदमी असली में छोटा होता है तो वो कभी नहीं कहता कि मैं छोटा आदमी हूँ। जो बड़ा आदमी ही है वो ही कह सकता है कि मैं छोटा आदमी हूँ। तो आप कितने बड़े हो कि हमको याद दिलाते रहते हो। आप शहीद होना चाहते हो, शहीद तो अफरीदी भी होता है, बट केजरीवाल जी still has a better chance with those kind of lines when he has this man as his competition.
This morning, I got up at night.
गुजरात को किसी ने खड़ा किया है, गुजरात को अमूल दिया है, गुजरात को दूध दिया है, तो इस तरफ देखिए, इन महिलाओं ने दिया है, गुजरात की महिलाओं ने दिया है।
With elections round the corner, expect many more gaffes since leaders will be addressing hundreds of rallies. There will always be a camera to catch them. Lots of material for us and you, so keep a keen eye and alert us when you see one. Just to remind you of some other gaffes.
1930 से वो अस्थि जिनेवा के स्मशान में रखे गए थे, वहां की सरकार ने रखे थे। 1947 देश आजाद होने के बाद पंडित नेहरू का पहला काम था कि कोई प्रतिनिधि को भेज करके देश के लिए जीने मरने वाले डॉक्टर श्यामा प्रसाद मुखर्जी के उस अस्थि को हिंदुस्तान ला देते। बिहार की धरती, उसकी ताकत क्या थी? जब सिकंदर आया और सिकंदर यहां पर सारा विश्व विजेता करके आया था।
And Arvind Kejriwal, who mourned people who were actually alive.
मैं उन कुछ लोगों को सलाम करना चाहूंगा, उनको श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित करना चाहूंगा जो पिछले 10 वर्षों में भ्रष्टाचार के खिलाफ लड़ाई लड़ते लड़ते, सूचना के अधिकार का इस्तेमाल करते करते गुजरात के अंदर शहीद हो गए। अमित जेठवा जी, भागु देवानी जी, जयसुख भम्मानिया जी, मनीषा गोस्वामी।
That's a wrap for the week. Follow us on Twitter and Facebook. If you have any moments from journalism that made you go, oh wow or oh crap, write into us or tweet to us. We are the change. You are the change, for better or worse. Never do nothing. Stay connected. Stay online.